Croeso and welcome to the induction video for the Welfare and Wellbeing Service. The Welfare and Wellbeing Service provides emotional and practical support to learners and is available to you throughout your time with us at the college. The service can help you with issues such as housing and homelessness, financial difficulties, relationships, family problems, emotional and mental health difficulties, sexuality, etc. We can provide a safe space for you to talk and to feel listened to, and we can provide information and advice when you need it most. We can also help you to deal with professionals such as your social worker, and we may be able to help you with writing letters and making phone calls on your behalf. For those who need extra help, we can also signpost you to other professional services such as mental health support, food banks and counselling agencies. You can be assured that our service is confidential, so we won't share what we have discussed with other college staff or parents unless we have serious concerns about your well-being. We will explain how confidentiality works when we start working with you. There are welfare and wellbeing officers on each campus. They are Elaine, Rachel and Natalie at Nangarrow campus, Laura, who is at Rhondda and Aberdare campuses, and Helena, who is at the Ystrad campus. Contact details for the Welfare and Wellbeing Officer at your campus are available on the college's website and on SharePoint. Or you can ask Learner Services or reception for details. You can contact us via telephone or email. We also offer face-to-face and video call appointments. We also provide extra support for groups of learners such as those who identify as lesbian, gay, bi or trans, and those who are young carers. We also coordinate services for learners such as the sexual health clinics which are run on each campus on a regular basis. We want you to enjoy your time with us at the college, so if you have any worries or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact us. No issue is too big or too small for us to help you with.